next class you must tie your hair, otherwise you'll be going on fidgeting with your hair. Okay, Tanvi, good morning to all. Yes, now I just want to know whether all are there. I'll just wait for 3 minutes, okay? By the time others must get ready with your English classwork. Hope all are keeping good health. Okay, be good. Just Rida, no talking. Once if you start recording over here, nobody's supposed to talk to anybody at home because you are going to listen to me. Okay, listen. Now, children, I will be giving a script, like I'm not giving you cursive writing, so you will be able to write the answers. It's better to learn than write. We are not going to give you the same question answers for your test. And I was very happy when I was correcting your papers because each one wrote your own answers. Very good. And little more careful you must be when you write, because without grammatical mistake you have to write, okay, when you form sentences. But anyway, somehow you all are doing well. Good morning to all. Take out your classwork note. Let's see what we are going to do today. Before that, children, I don't want you to write this now. I just want to know whether you finished yesterday's work. We were writing about OA words, EE words. You can find out many more. Now, this one, you just write Roman number 3, answer in a sentence or two. It's not necessary for you to write this answer, I will tell you. Only write Roman number 3, leave a line, write why was 44 feeling sad. No writing the answers, okay? You can just form this answer into your own and you can write. Write Roman number 3, answer in a sentence or two. Unhappy bus. You don't worry about all that. You can write the heading. The unhappy bus. Roman number 3. Answer in a sentence. You have to write in cursive. Okay. Answer in a sentence.
Ma'am, you showing Roman letter 4.
Yes?
You showing Roman letter 4.
See, I just cannot. Who's that? 1 minute. What do you want? Yeah?
Ma'am, Mitra, ma'am.
What happened, Mitra?
Ma'am, we can see Roman number 4, ma'am.
1 minute. Roman number 4. 1 minute, Hans. 1 minute, Mitra. Let me see. 1 minute, okay? 1 second. 1 minute. See, read, Mitra, what is written.
Use the correct.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. The next one is come first. 1 minute. 1 minute, no problem. But just wait. One minute. Okay, can you see now? Mitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do this.
Yes,
1 minute. All don't talk together. Mitra told that she was seeing Roman number 4. That is the next one. Okay. Ma'am did not present this properly. Okay, number 3. Roman number 3. Answer in a sentence or two. Just copy.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you, ma'am.
Yes, you write only Roman number 3. Children, just write Roman number 3 and continue. Mitra, turn off your mic. So, Sona, are you clear about it? Write Roman number 3. We will write the question answers.
Ma'am.
Yes. You can write slowly the question. Only the question. Write the heading. Write the question. Turn off your mic. Everybody turn off your mic. Mitra, you too. Tridip, turn off your mic. I don't know why Tridip is turning on his mic every time. Tridip, good, good. Okay, now it's clear. Tion, Erica, please turn off your mic.
Space for
Children, you are not going to talk to me now. Let me tell you what you have to do, okay? Be good. Now, why was 4 feeling sad? Okay, this is the question. Now I want Shaina. Can you read the question from the screen, Shaina?
Yes, ma'am.
Just read the question. Why was
4 feeling sad?
Yeah.
4 was feeling sad because she did not want to see the same roads and same places and the same people.
Yeah, it's very clear that she did not want to see the same roads, same places, and the same people. That's why she was feeling sad. You can make your own sentence and write after reading this answer. Okay, you can just write. You don't say anything now, ma'am will check later. Why was 4 feeling sad? You write the question, then leave a line and start writing the answer. Start writing the answer. Why was 4 feeling sad? You can make your own sentence. No problem if you make mistake. From making mistake only you will learn. A very good, Shaina. 4 was feeling sad. I want some children to read it. Now, I'll start from... I just want to know whether Mithilesh is there. Mithilesh? Mithilesh? No. Naren? Okay. Prajan? Read Prajan. Read Prajan the first question. Only the first question.
Why was 4 feeling sad?
Yeah. Answer.
4 was feeling sad because she did not want to see the same roads, the same places, and the same people.
Very good. Very good. Next child is Sachin. Sachin,
Ma'am?
can you read the first question and the answer?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Why was
4 feeling sad?
good?
4 was feeling sad because she did not wanted to see the same road, same place, and same people.
Same people. So she did not want to see the same road, same places, and the same people. Okay, just make it into short and write. Now I want everybody to write neatly. You have to write D and F capital because that's the name. D and F capital because that's a name, 4, the bus's name. So the name of the bus. So you don't forget to write D and F capital. Sanjay Krishna, I want you to read. With that, we'll stop with the first answer. Sanjay, read the first question. Why was
4 feeling sad?
Don't say sad. Was feeling sad.
Was feeling sad
Because
she
she did not want to see
same roads, the some same
Same roads,
same roads and
the same places,
the same places and the same
and
people.
the same. No, don't say the same people. Okay, well, now you have to read little more fast. Okay, okay, Sanjay, good. Now you must learn. You have to read not only in class, after class, whenever you're free. Take your textbook, notebook, start reading it. Learn it. Don't learn anything by heart. Learn it. Hope all would have completed. Good, Sanjay. The first question. Sanjay, turn off your mic. Tion, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can leave a line. Don't draw a line. You may draw crooked line. Those who have a scale, you can keep your scale on the next line and draw one line. That means you're leaving a line, you're drawing a line on that. And please check all the spellings, because even if you show the notebook, I won't be knowing all the spelling whether it's right. So when it's there on the screen, check all the spellings. And don't be distracted when I take class. Pay attention. Anyone, those who did not send the assignment, please do it. Send it. And you check your mail. Some corrections ma'am has made, like some children have to send it again. So please see to it. Now next one we are going to write. Shaina, did you complete the first one?
Ma'am, I'm writing the answer.
Very good. Right, Shaina. Tion, can you read the first one, Tion? By the time, let others finish. Yes, Tion?
Why was double four feeling sad? Answer double
Don't
four.
say, 1 minute, don't say answer, you continue. Double four, come on.
Double four was feeling sad because she did not want to see the same roads, the same place, and the same
Very good.
people.
Same people. So when you read, thank you. Very good, Tion. Turn off your mic. When you write all these answers, you have to learn the main spellings, main words. Same places, roads, people. We shall go to the next one. Leave a line, write the second question. What did double four want? She was not happy with that journey, every day's journey. She wanted to have a change. She wanted a change. What she wanted to do? She wanted to see new places, and that places, she wanted different places, different route, and she wanted to see different people. That's already. All that includes that a change. Okay, double four wanted a change. You can write your own answers. If you know the story well, you can write your own answers. What did double four want? Write the second question, did want. So you must start with the answer wanted. Past tense. Double four wanted. And remember, you have to write capital D and F. Name of the bus. Double four wanted a change. She wanted to see new places, places that were different. The change includes everything, different people, different places, different vehicles, different buildings, all. Okay, you can just explain that in your answer. Just one outline like this. You can leave a line, write the second question, leave a line, write the answer. Sanjeevan, Read the second question, Sanjeevan.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the second question.
What did double four want?
Yeah. Double four
Double four
wanted
double four wanted
a change.
change.
Full stop.
She
Yes, stop. A change. Full stop. Don't say full stop. A change. When you read, we must know from your reading, there is a full stop. Double four wanted a change. That's all. Now continue.
wanted
Change.
to
She wanted to see
she wanted to see new places
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 that were places that were different. Places that were different. Okay. Next one, Sanjit. Children, by the time
Yes,
all
ma'am.
others must write. Good morning, Sanjit. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, just read the second question. What did
What did double force
want? Want.
want?
Yeah.
Want. Double force wanted
Double four wanted a change. Say double four
double four
wanted
wanted
a change.
change.
Yeah. She wanted to see new places.
She wanted to see
New places. Places that were different. That were
different.
Okay, now next child. Okay, others, please write soon. Next child is Tarush. Tarush, read second question and the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What did double four want? Double four wanted a change.
Yeah.
She wanted to see new places that were
Places that were different. Good. Sujin, please read. Sujin. Yes, Sujin.
What did double four want? Double
Yeah, now it's clear.
change. She wanted to see new places that were different.
Very good. Now it's clear, Yati. Hope all would have completed this, children. Let me see. Yes.
Ma'am, I did not complete it, ma'am.
Okay, wait. That's enough. Judah, I'll wait. Don't say. Okay, I'll wait. When Judah finishes, he will tell. Then we'll go to the next one. Okay, Judah. Write neatly. We'll wait for others. Pratika, can you read the second question and the answer? Pratika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second question and the answer.
What did double four want? Double four wanted a change. She wanted to see new places that were different.
Very good. Very good. Now, children, I will ask you you can learn any rhymes, because there will be rhymes. Recitation, not like from this book, second standard book. You have to recite a poem. Any poem you can choose and recite. I'll just tell you, okay? And I'll give you a date for you. The special class time, I'll be conducting that recitation. Okay, children, not now. Any recitation you can get ready with. I will tell you tomorrow which one. That will give preference for the first thing. Okay, first preference for the one what ma'am is going to ask you, because let me see and to it which is better for you all to do. All must learn it. You are not supposed to look into the textbook and read. Recitation you have to do with action. Now, next one. We shall go to the next one. Okay, children. Now, what did Double Four want? Double Four wanted a change. She wanted to see new places, places that were different. Now, let's see what is next. Now, don't write anything. You can just keep a pencil in your notebook and you can just see the screen. I don't want you to write anything. Okay. Don't write, just have a look. Use the correct adverb and complete the sentence. I'm just going to ask
Ma'am,
you.
please show the previous one, ma'am.
No, you just wait. No previous one now. You just wait now because 20 minutes got over. You must be a little bit fast. You just wait now. Now, no need to write anything here because children, two classes are there. I cannot show for one child the previous one and the other one. You have to be a little more fast. You can go to the recording and do, okay? Actually, the classwork, written work you have to do at home, but I'm making you do in class because you are very small. Okay, now, if you have time, we'll go back. Otherwise, you have to go to the recording. Roman number 4 used, don't write. This is not for you to write in your notebook. Use the correct adverb and complete the sentence. Don't write. Keep the pencil inside your notebook and close it. Meera fed the birds. Feeding the birds. That's a past tense for feed, fed. The birds. I'm just going to ask you the questions. Answers you have to tell. In order, I will ask. Next question goes to Sharan Pranav. Sharan, can you tell me the right adverb? Their adverb. Loving. What will you write over there? Sharan Pranav. Oh, he's sick, I heard. Sorry. Now, Sehan. 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 No mark will be given to Sehan because he never attended the class. Only he is entering and going away. Ritun Rajwell. Can you tell me the correct word? Ritun. Loving.
Ma'am?
Yes, Ritun, tell me. Adverb. You have to add ly. Meera. Read that sentence. Meera. Ritun. Read after me. Punit. Punit Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read that sentence. Meera fed the birds.
Lovely.
Lovingly. Just add ly. Don't write, children.
Lovingly.
Now, yes, you can turn off your mic. Now listen, lovingly. Okay, just look at the screen. Now, next child is Mukhil M. Mukhil. Read the second one, Mukhil, hurry up. Renu danced.
Carefully.
Gracefully. Can you tell me the spelling?
Gracefully.
Very good. Gracefully. Already graceful is there. You have to add ly. Please don't write. You have to read all this from the screen. Now, you can learn these words by writing in your home study. Not now. Later. Ma'am will give you a revision. Okay. Now, don't write. Now, Mukhil now finish. Mohammad Faizan. Mohammad Faizan.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the third one. Third one.
The dog. The dog.
Very good.
Ate the food.
Hungrily. Say.
Hungrily.
You remove that Y. All of you look at the screen. Remove that Y and write. Look. I-L-Y. These spellings you have to learn hungrily. Okay. Now,
H-E-N-G-R-Y.
G-R-I-L-Y. Now, Manu, please read fourth one.
The
Squirrel.
squirrel climbed the tree.
Climb the tree. What?
Quickly.
Quickly. Don't say quickly. Quickly. Quick. Write the same word. Add L-Y. Okay. Same word. See, children. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Just have a look here. Loving, you added only L-Y. Graceful, again L-Y. Here, removed this Y and wrote I-L-Y. Quick, you just added L-Y. Quickly. Now, number 5, Manu, good. Kabir, read fifth one. Read fifth one.
The full moon.
The full moon shines brightly. Can you tell the spelling of brightly?
B-R-I-G-L-Y.
Yeah, children, I want you to tell by yourself. Okay, very good. Brightly. Just add L-Y. Now, next child is Sri Mukilan. Read the next one, Sri Mukilan. Sri Mukilan. Tridip. Read sixth one, Tridip.
Okay, ma'am. The baby held his toy tightly.
Tightly. Tell me the spelling, Tridip.
T-I-G-H-T-L-Y, tightly.
Very good. Now read the baby held. Past tense of hold is held. See here, held. Don't use hold and hold and all that. Good, Tridip. Held his toy tightly because he didn't want to give anybody. So lovingly, gracefully, hungrily, quickly, brightly, tightly. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, children. Now, again, Meera fed the 1 minute. I just want to ask. Sai Vasavi, read the first one. Tell me the first answer. Meera fed the birds.
Meera fed the birds. Ma'am.
Yes. Tell Sai Vasavi. Lovingly.
Meera fed the birds.
Lovingly. Very good. Now, Jeff, you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Jeff, others turn off your mic. Jeff, you read. Renu danced.
Gracefully.
Very good. Now, Niral, please read. Niral,
Yes, ma'am.
read. The dog ate the food. Hurry up, Niral.
Who get the food?
Add LY to hungry.
And when hungry. And
Niral, we're not attending the class. Hungrily. Jane, read the next one. The squirrel climbed. The squirrel climbed the tree.
the squirrel climbed the tree
Quickly. Okay. Okay, good. Now, the moon shines. The full moon shines brightly. The baby held his toy tightly. Now, Rahel, please read the last two.
The presentation is not here now.
Excuse me. What happened?
The Teacher, I'm not seen, ma'am. My name is Tarak, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute.
You are not presenting.
What you, oh, that's gone. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, okay. Suddenly it's, okay. Now, last to Rahil, please read last to the full moon shines.
The full moon shines brightly.
Yeah, next one.
Sixth one, the baby held his
The
toy
top.
dreamily.
Very good. Now listen, it's already time for us to stop. We have to get ready for the next class. Children, don't sit and play. You can have a break because you have 3 classes.